Have you ever wondered what items people buy regularly and where they usually shop? Well, there's a whole world of shopping habits out there, and understanding them is key for both savvy consumers and successful businesses. We'll be exploring this terrain, shedding light on the common items that fill our shopping bags and the bustling marketplaces that attract swarms of shoppers. So whether you're a shopaholic or just curious, there's a lot to uncover. Stay tuned as we dive into the fascinating world of regular purchases and popular shopping destinations. From daily necessities to indulgent treats, what are some items that find their way into our shopping carts frequently? We all have our staples, the go-to items that we pick up time and time again. Let's delve into some of the most common items that people buy regularly. At the top of the list, we have food. Whether it's fresh produce, canned goods, or frozen foods, we need sustenance to fuel our bodies. Some of us might be fans of cooking up a storm at home, while others prefer the convenience of ready-to-eat meals. Regardless, food items are a constant presence in our shopping lists. Next up, toiletries. From toothpaste to shampoo, these are the essentials that keep us clean, fresh, and ready to face the world each day. Though often overlooked, they're the unsung heroes of our daily routines. Let's not forget clothing. Though not as frequently purchased as food and toiletries, it's a regular feature in our shopping habits. Driven by a desire for comfort, self-expression, or keeping up with the latest trends, we often find ourselves adding a new article of clothing to our wardrobes. Lastly, we have electronics. In this digital age, we often find ourselves buying new gadgets or replacing old ones. Whether it's a new phone, a laptop, or a pair of earbuds, electronics have become integral to our lives. These everyday items, though seemingly mundane, offer a glimpse into our daily lives and routines. They are the silent testament to our needs, wants, and lifestyles. Now that we know what people buy, where do they usually make these purchases? Let's embark on a journey through the bustling lanes of our favorite shopping destinations. The world is a marketplace with an array of options to meet every shopper's needs. From the neighborhood supermarket with its familiar aisles to the sprawling department stores showcasing a wide spectrum of goods, shopping experiences are diverse and delightful. Supermarkets are a common choice for many, offering convenience and a broad range of everyday items from fresh produce to toiletries. The charm of a supermarket lies in its accessibility and the comfort of finding everything under one roof. On the other hand, department stores serve as a one-stop shop for a variety of needs, from clothing and electronics to furniture and homewares. The appeal of department stores is in their assortment, where one can find both necessities and luxuries. But the world of shopping isn't confined to physical stores. Online platforms have revolutionized the shopping experience, providing an endless array of products at the click of a button. The allure of online shopping lies in its ease, the ability to compare prices, and the luxury of home delivery. Then there are specialty stores, which offer a curated selection of products for specific interests or needs. These stores draw shoppers with their expertise, unique offerings, and personalized customer service. Understanding where people shop can reveal a lot about their preferences and habits. So whether you're a supermarket sprinter or an online shopping aficionado, remember, shopping is not just about buying, it's an experience. So we've discovered what people buy and where they shop. But what does all this information tell us? Diving into the world of shopping, we've seen that the items people buy regularly span a wide range, from the everyday essentials like groceries and toiletries to the less frequent but equally important purchases such as clothes, electronics, and homeware. Each item, in its own way, plays a role in shaping our daily lives and routines. Then we have the shopping destinations, the bustling supermarkets, the serene local markets, the trendy online stores, and the charming boutique shops. Each of these places offers a unique shopping experience, and the choice of where to shop often comes down to personal preferences, convenience, and sometimes the thrill of finding a great deal. But there's more to these shopping habits than meets the eye. They're not just about fulfilling needs or wants. They're a reflection of economic trends, cultural influences, and personal lifestyle choices. They're influenced by our income levels, cultural backgrounds, and individual tastes. They provide insights into our priorities, our values, and how we choose to spend our time and money. In the grand scheme of things, Our shopping habits are more than just transactions. They're a reflection of who we are and the world we live in. From the most mundane purchase to the most extravagant, every shopping decision tells a story about us. And that, in itself, is a fascinating revelation.